Hi, this is Brian Cermak from the Cronin Law Firm. I'm here to talk to you for a few minutes about medical malpractice in Michigan. Keep in mind at the very beginning that mistakes happen all the time. Bad results from surgeries occur, but that doesn't mean that there was malpractice. Remember, every time you go in for a surgical procedure, or you see a doctor, or you get treated, every time you have a surgery, go to a doctor, usually you sign a release form, a consent to have the treatment and a warning that the treatment could result in certain side effects and bad results. It's called informed consent. Why? Because things happen, bad things happen, but it doesn't mean the doctor committed malpractice. So what you may say is malpractice. Malpractice is a doctor, a hospital, or a licensed medical professional failing to follow what they call the standard of care for that particular specialty in Michigan. In other words, if you go to an orthopedic surgeon to have your knee replaced, that orthopedic surgeon has to follow the standard that's adhered to by all orthopedic surgeons in the area where your surgery occurred. If he followed the procedure, didn't really make mistakes, but you had a bad result, there's no malpractice. Now, how do you prove a malpractice case? You have to have a doctor in the same specialty review your medical records and tell you that malpractice occurred. It's very difficult, by the way, to find a doctor in Michigan that's going to testify against another doctor in Michigan. So most malpractice cases, the expert witnesses come from out of state. Most of my malpractice cases, in all of my malpractice cases, all my experts are serving on boards and hospitals in Chicago, in New York, in California, in Ohio, but not Michigan. Finally, keep in mind that even if there was malpractice and you get a doctor to say there's malpractice, there's a convoluted statute. There are certain statutory requirements you have to follow before you can file a malpractice claim. You have to warn the doctor that you're going to sue him and sit back and wait before you can file a lawsuit. Now, also keep in mind that the statute of limitations, meaning the time you have to file a lawsuit for malpractice, is 2 years. So if you are talking about something that occurred a year and a half ago, you've got 6 months left before you can file a lawsuit. If you're talking about something that happened 3 years ago, you're probably barred already. So if you think, the moral of the story is, if you think that you're a victim of malpractice, act as quickly as possible. Get yourself taken care of first, that's important. But in the process of getting fixed and going to other doctors, inquire, get your medical records, find out if the other doctors think then malpractice has been committed. If they do, seek an attorney right away, because it's a complicated area of the law, then you'll need legal help to pursue a medical malpractice case. We at the Cronin Law Firm would happy to help you on this or any other personal injury matter you may have. Give us a call at 248-258-3500. God bless and have a great day.